So you're wondering, how do you use or start using the Love Spouse app here? So using or basically the Love Spouse app is a mix of a relationship tool and a device manager here. Now on the relationship side, it gives couples shared calendars, reminders, fun, quizzes, and ways to stay connected. Now on the tech side here, it all is also used to pair and control certain smart devices here. So which is why many manuals mention it for setup. So yeah, basically, how do you start using it? Well, in order for you to start using it, you first need to install the app. Now you can go and get the app from Google Play Store if you're using an Android device, or the Play Store here if you're using an iOS. But you just need to search for this one, so specifically this one. So you just need to install this. But once you have this installed, you want to go open up the app here. Just wait for a while in order for it to load up. And from here, go and click on next step here. Next step, click on completed. And from here, it's going to ask you to do a few things here. So this app is for users age 18 plus. So make sure you're of your legal age here. And also, it's for adults. Let's go and click on yes, I'm 18 plus. Now from here, since you are a new user, you can go and click on sign up here. Now you just need to input your email and your password and just re-enter your password in here to basically register to a new account here inside Love Spouse or the Love Spouse app. Now from here, once you've entered your email as well as the password that you want to use, you can go and set up your photo here, your nickname, your birth of year, your gender, and once you've entered those details here, you can go and click on next step. Now from here, they will guide you through the setup process. You go and click on completed once you answered correctly here. But once you've done that, as you can see, you can now start using the app itself. So there are four sections here that you can access inside the app. So you have the home page here, which should show you the general information here on your device, like adding a device here, exploring, so basically previewing the globally selected frequencies. Also, if you want to try their AI companion, you can go and use that as well. Now you also have the world section here, so if you want to explore that. Also have your chat notifications here if you want to enable that. And also you have your profile icon you see at the bottom right here if you want to basically view your gift pool, gold, your item cards, your frequencies. And if you want to subscribe or get the VIP subscription here, you can go and click on purchase if you want to get that. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.